on, kids, sing with me. Let's learn animals A to Z. Is for axolotl, swimming so free. Pink little friend in the deep blue sea. B is for binturong, climbing a tree. Fluffy and cute, smiling at me. C is for capybara, big and round, sitting by the water, making no sound. D is for dole, running so fast, playing with friends, having a blast. E is for echidna, spiky and sweet, walking around on tiny feet. F is for fossa, hiding away in the green jungle, it loves to play. G is for Jenny, jumping so high, spotted and cute under the sky. H is for Hoatzin, funky and bright, feathers like a crown, what a sight. I is for ibis, red and tall, walking near rivers, standing so small. J is for jerboa, hopping around, tiny and quick on sandy ground. K is for kudu, horns twist and turn, walking in grass where flowers burn. L is for lynx, ears with a tip, running through snow on a winter trip. M is for Mark, for strong and proud, climbing the mountains high in the cloud. N is for numbat, stripes on its back, looking for food in a sunny track. O is for okapi, gentle and shy, zebra legs under a jungle sky. P is for pangolin, rolling like a ball, covered in scales, the cutest of all. Q is for quokka, smiling all day, happy and friendly in every way. R is for red panda, fluffy and sweet, climbing on trees with tiny feet. S is for serval, slim and fast, running in grasslands, having a blast. T is for tarsier, big round eyes, hiding in trees where sunlight lies. U is for uriel, climbing so high, strong little sheep under blue sky. V is for viscacha, soft and round, sitting on rocks without a sound. W is for wombat, digging the ground, making a home where peace is found. X is for Zurus, with a little nut, running in deserts with its tail up. Y is for Yabby, in the blue stream, swimming around, living the dream. Z is for Zorilla, black and white, running in fields under the light. Now we know our A to Z. Animals are fun. Come sing with me.